So I'm removing the map sensor from a 1988 Chevy Silverado short bed. It's got the 5.7 liter V8 350. This is the map sensor here, and it's pretty simple to remove. We already taken the air cleaner out. It's just one wing nut to get that out, and then you take it off. There's a couple things it connects to. Not too bad to take out. So yeah, 2 screws. I think they're 8mm, and just one clip and a vacuum line, and that should be it. Alright, so I had said 8mm, but it's actually a 7mm. So all you need to do is take these out. And they break free fairly easily. You can get the finger tight out. You just kind of twist this back and forth. If you're doing this in the cold, just be careful, because the vacuum lines, especially on these older trucks, can be really brittle. So you might also need a little screwdriver to give it some encouragement to come out. And there you go. And the clip comes out. Now, this clip has been broken. There's normally a little lever here that you're going to have to fiddle with to get out with a screwdriver. To get to this second bolt, and take that out for the throttle body. Let's see if I can. Alright, so this screw is a little tricky. I had to get a few extensions going, or if you have a really long one, and it just breaks free pretty easily. So you get it finger tight or finger loose, and there you go. There's your map sensor. So this is a new one I got. It's a BWD I got from Advanced Auto. It's EC1602. Alrighty, so I'm going to start with this one down here so I can have a way to hold it in while I get the other one going. Like I said, the vacuum line is brittle, and any of these clips that you have to undo, especially in the cold. So just be careful with that. Just kind of hand tighten these just since it's plastic there, and these screws are kind of rusty, but they should be good to go. Alright, so you just do the reverse, the throttle body clip there. So I had to take this plastic piece out for mine to fit. So hopefully it focuses on that. That just slides down in. The old one clips in there just really easily, and normally when you put this in, there'll be a snap because there's a clip, but like I said, this one broke off. So yeah, don't work on it in the cold if you can help it. So before I put the air cleaner or the air filter canister back on it, I want to start it up. So if there's something wrong still, I don't have to take it all back apart. So it's my mechanics helpers.